Want to add MagSafe to your Samsung phone or your old iPhone? Check this out. What's up guys, my name is Mario and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. Alright, the folks over at Naztech.com made these really cool adapters for MagSafe. Let's open it up, let's go. Alright guys, so let's open this up. This is the MagSafe. It's basically just a magnetic ring that will make your phone, your wireless charging phone or any Samsung MagSafe compatible by aligning everything. It comes included with 2 rings. Let's check it out. Open this up. Yeah. Alright, looks like it comes with a guide to put on your phone. And I guess this is where the ring goes. Guide stickers, magnetic rings. Oh yeah, they do have magnets in them. These are nice. They look nice, like really high quality. They don't look like they're, you know, cheap quality. They have magnets on the inside. Here's a little adhesive backing, and they're one-time use, so you can't just take them off and put them on. Set it and forget it, like the old videos say. So let's go ahead and try it out. I have an old iPhone. Basically what you would do, it says here we're gonna use an installation guide. You have to measure the center of the phone. So we line up centered. So you have to use the stickers to keep it in place. The magnets. And you basically just drop it in the center. Okay, and then that's it. And you can just take these off. If you're gonna put it on another phone, keep this, you know, maybe put the stickers back onto the little adhesive, because these come off. Yeah, they come off plain, so you can put these back down. Voila, we have made our iPhone compatible with MagSafe. And to test it out, I have, see, and picks it up, and picks it up. That MagSafe compatible now. Let's see if it charges. Now that we have it installed on our phone, we're gonna go ahead and plug in a MagSafe charger. There you go, and boom. Boom, we got wireless charging on a MagSafe charger, making your phone a MagSafe compatible, which is fantastic for the people that have the older phones. Okay, so MagSafe compatible all day long. And then we're gonna try out the Samsung phone. All right, so here's our Samsung phone that we put the Samsung Galaxy S10. Put the charger on here and see if it charges. Oh, there we go, and it's charging. It is charging. As you guys can see, it's charging on a Samsung phone with MagSafe. Can you believe that? Look at that. If you want MagSafe, you have a Samsung phone or Android phone with wireless charging, get yourself one of these MagSafe adapters and you can go ahead and start charging wirelessly like us Apple users. Alright guys, so as you saw, I was able to turn this iPhone 10 into a MagSafe compatible phone, along with, as you can see, this Samsung S10 as a MagSafe compatible phone. So you can turn your Androids and your old iPhones that don't have MagSafe into MagSafe compatible phones. The great thing about that is that it comes with a plethora, ooh, fancy word, accessories that you can use, whether they're phone mounts, car mounts for your like your phone. As I personally use a MagSafe charger in my car that I love. There's also power banks, the wallet, different accessories that you can use that come along with having the MagSafe on your phone. You know, what do I give this MagSafe magnetic ring? I give this check on form, function, and friendliness, because they're a great way to jump into using the MagSafe accessory family. If you like this product, guys, don't forget to check them out at Naztech.com and use coupon code MMTR25 to get 25% off your entire purchase. Also, they have some MagSafe accessories there that you can check out. So go check them out at Naztech.com and type in MagSafe on the search bar and boom, it'll pop up. Don't forget to like and follow for more.